not on the album. It got disqualified from the Latin Grammys because it didn't have at least 50% Spanish in the singing. And that is a travesty, because that's a Latin record, right? And that was another thing that brought a lot of discussion to those of us who are active in the Latin Grammys, because that record should not have been disqualified, but it was. Tony is a big fan of Sammy. He calls him El Maestro, you know. But I've never, you know, in my role as an artist is completely foreign to the Miami scene. It's like when I go to Nashville, I'm like, okay, this is where I belong as an artist, you know. I don't sing this kind of music. I produce it though. I've definitely been in the studio with a lot of people, but not Tony. That would be an honor. Tony and his mom, have you seen his mom? She's amazing because she's one of the great salseras of the world, great singer. And you know, it's so weird because they're like Japanese, but Tony is an amazing arranger, an amazing percussionist, and a great human being. We love Tony.